This is the type of experience you need to be having when using trading bots on DERIV. Sadly, a lot of people don't experience this simply because of specific things. Number one, obviously, a lot of people do not experience profit-making trading on DERIV because of greed. You have a small balance in your account and you want to make more than double that amount. Always target 10 to 20% unless you're using a super bot which can give you 100% plus every single day. Number two, people don't know the best trading bots to use and also the best trading types to use that are configured in those bots. Okay, also trade types and the times to trade, and also a lot of people want to invest small money for them to make a lot of money. And that's highly unlikely because in any business, you need to first of all spend money for you to make money. And the amount of money you spend will be determined and will determine how much you actually make in the long run. Okay, you'll find clients wanting to buy trading bots at $10, $20, and they want to invest $10 in their account. Now, such a person, do you really expect them to make like $100 or $200 in their first month? It's highly unlikely. So the more you spend, the more money you make. And that applies to businesses worldwide and it cuts across. Though there are sometimes there can be some few exceptions, right? But those unicorn situations do not happen to everyone. For the majority of us, you need to invest and invest big for you to reap big. Okay, now one of the things that you need to do is learn how to do this by yourself. Do not rely on YouTube videos like this one. Do not rely on TikTok videos like this one. Do not rely on third-party information from your friends. You can learn the business by yourself. Spend time in learning the skills and you'll find that after some time you are actually a profitable trader. The majority of the work will be done by you, not by someone who built a bot and sold it to you, but the majority of the work will be done by you. But if you cannot do that, then forget about being a profitable trader. It will never happen for you. You will always be looking at people online and seeing videos like this, and you'll be wondering, how did this person get to this point? Well, the answer is obviously obvious.